Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Creating high-quality advertising videos usually takes a lot of time. You need a script, actors, product shots, editing, voiceovers, and plenty of post-production work. But what if AI could handle almost all of those steps for you? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a platform called Wizstar, an all-in-one AI content creation tool designed for creators, marketers, and e-commerce businesses. Whether you're creating marketing content for your business, social media videos, or professional AI-powered visuals, Wizstar brings everything together in one easy-to-use platform. In this video, I'll show you its most useful features and how they work. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the link in the video description. Let's begin with the video generator, because this is one of the most exciting tools available on the platform. When you open the video generator, you'll find two different options: text to video and keyframe to video. In this demo, we'll start with text to video and see how quickly it can turn a simple prompt into a high-quality AI video. First, I'll select text to video. Here, you simply type your prompt describing the video you want to create. After that, choose your preferred AI model. You can choose from multiple AI models, including Kling 3.0, Omni, Seedance 1.5, and Seedance 2.0. Plus, Seedance 2.5 is coming soon to Wizstar, giving creators even more powerful video generation options in the near future. Now, the AI starts processing your request. Within a short time, your video will be ready. As you can see, my first video has been generated successfully. And the result looks smooth, professional, and visually impressive. One thing that really stands out is Wizstar's character consistency. The AI keeps the same character's facial features, hairstyle, clothing, body proportions, and overall identity consistent from one shot to the next, even when the camera angle, lighting, or background changes. This is especially useful for advertisements, storytelling videos, and branded content because your AI character stays recognizable throughout the entire video instead of changing between scenes. Now, if you already have an image instead of a text prompt, don't worry. Wizstar AI also includes a powerful keyframe to video feature. Simply upload your starting image. You can also upload an ending frame if you want more control over the animation. Then write a prompt describing the movement or camera action. Select your preferred AI model, adjust the settings, and click Generate. Within a short time, your static image is transformed into a smooth and realistic animated video. The AI preserves the original subject while maintaining consistent visual details throughout the animation. Next, let's explore another powerful feature called AI video translation. This tool is perfect if you want to reach a global audience without recording your video again.
To the future of smart technology. Introducing Nova Pulse. It changes everything.
Simply upload your original video that already contains a voiceover. Then, select the original language of your video. After that, choose your target language. Wizstar AI supports multiple languages, including Chinese, Spanish, Japanese, and many more. One of the best features is that you can enable audio translation and lip sync at the same time. This means the AI not only translates your voice naturally, but also adjusts the speaker's lip movements to match the new language.
Réussir en affaires, ce n'est pas d'avoir une idée parfaite. C'est agir, apprendre de ses échecs et ne jamais s'arrêter. Chaque défi est une occasion de grandir, et chaque décision nous rapproche d'un pas de nos buts.
As you can see, the voice has been translated into another language while maintaining natural lip synchronization. Now let's explore one of Wizstar's newest features, Creative image generation and product image generation. This tool is designed for e-commerce sellers and brands that want professional-looking product images without setting up expensive photo shoots. Simply upload your product image and enter a prompt describing the scene or environment you want. Then click Generate, and Wizstar creates high-quality marketing images with realistic lighting, backgrounds, and composition. One of the biggest advantages is that the AI keeps your product visually consistent while placing it in completely new scenes. The product's shape, colors, packaging, and important details remain accurate, making the generated images suitable for e-commerce listings, advertisements, social media, and brand marketing. Besides these features, Wizstar AI also offers many other powerful AI tools, including AI Avatar Turbo, video recreation, and drama. The drama feature is especially interesting because you can upload your own story or script, or even use a localized script, and the AI will help transform your ideas into engaging visual content. It's a great option for storytelling, short films, creative videos, and social media content. If you're looking for a complete AI toolkit to speed up your content creation workflow, Wizstar AI is definitely worth trying. And the best part? You'll get free points to start creating right away, and your first subscription is available for only $18. Don't miss out. With flexible pricing and free credits to get started, you can explore the platform and create your own AI content with ease. Give it a try and see what you can create.